Hi, I'm Amy.
Hi, I'm Tyler.
And this is Cat Attack. Jostens was here and shared the items you can order for graduation and passed out envelopes with your order forms. If you missed the meeting, please see Miss Osborne. She has plenty of extra envelopes. You don't want to miss out because Jostens will be back next Monday, October 14th during lunch to begin taking orders.
Harrisburg Library is getting ready for Halloween. The LMC is sponsoring a pumpkin literacy competition throughout the month of October. We ask you to decorate a pumpkin in a manner that celebrates or promotes literature. Don't actually carve a pumpkin, please. The pumpkins are decorations for the library, but they also should draw attention to love of books and reading. This is a competition, so pumpkins will be judged on October 31st. The winner gets a candy bar, a bouquet, and a 5 raffle ticket.
Hey seniors, it's senior quote time. If you want a quote in the yearbook this year, please fill out the Google form in your email. The deadline for your quote is December 31st. If you have any questions, please contact Ms. Lineberry.
Dun 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 dun. Captain Planet, he's a hero. Gonna take pollution down to 0. Hello, Mr. Bear. What do you know? Oh, it's raining. Look at that rain. Nice and rainy. There's a water tower. It's a nice water tower. Let's see. Put the dollar in. Take it. Take it. Alright, now I'm gonna get Doritos. 1, 3, 4. Oh, there they go. Money! There we go. Maria, how's it going? Okay. Hey, Miss Joseph. No, I bought you some Doritos. I did. Take it. That sucks. I want you to have them.
What are you doing?
Nothing. They're just normal Doritos.
Why are you taking?
Just eat the Doritos. Miss Joseph. What is she doing? Just eat the Doritos. Just eat them. Nothing. I just bought them.
But for you.
No, I want you to have them.
Video.
Fine, I'll give them to somebody else if you don't want them.
They're testing.
Oh my gosh. Emma, do you want some Doritos?
Yeah.
Some people don't appreciate them. Ellie, you can have some too. I allow it. Let's see what Mr. Sharp's up to. Yo, what's up, Mr. Sharp? How you doing?
Stop bothering
Ah!
me!